Hello, I'm Evelyn Salazar. I am a 3D designer and graphic designer working with Cinema 4D. In this quick tutorial, I show you how to add random colors to clones using Redshift and color user data. It's a simple way to bring variation into your MoGraph setups. First, you'll need to add a color user data node. Then, apply the geometry ED color. Finally, use a RAM to choose the colors you want. It's easy to achieve. If you'd like to explore more, you can download some free files from my MoGraph store. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.